Kultura Travel's new podcast. My name is Kiara and I am the creator of Kultura Travel, and I am also your podcast host. So who am I? I am a 2x Fulbright English Teaching Assistant recipient to Moldova. I am also a Safely Fellowship recipient to Indonesia. So I have basically been living abroad for 3 years. I've traveled to over 40 countries, 20 states, and across 4 continents. So most of these in uncommon destinations with me immersing into local culture, language, and life. So needless to say, I love to travel, but not just any type of travel. I love cultural travel. And this is what inspired Kultura Travel. Kultura Travel is a new immersive travel app to help you travel more meaningfully, more immersively, deeper, and more authentically. And this idea came to me about 2 years ago when I started reflecting on all of the questions I had before I moved abroad and doing all of my research and prep before my first solo and group travel trip, and all the information and things that I wish I knew or had access to. All of this time with the reflection had me think about why I was enjoying my time in Moldova so much, why I was feeling so deeply connected only after being in the country for 3 months when I came up with this idea, and eventually led to me wanting to come back for another year. So the number one thing was that Moldova, not many people know. If you don't, you will after you tune into this channel, because I have a lot of content about the country and it holds a very special place in my heart. But the big thing was that there were no crowds, no tourists, almost no English, and this was true immersion, community building, and ultimately what led to Kultura Travel, because this is the essence of cultural travel. So tune in to our channel and podcast to learn more about Kultura Travel, cultural travel, travel stories, and how to most importantly be a traveler and not a tourist.